Hey, this is George, and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Cash App card to your Apple Pay. I'll show you two different methods how to add your card to Apple Pay. First, you can open your Cash App and you need to click the card icon in the bottom menu right here. And if you don't have Cash App card, first of all, you need to order it. So once you will have Cash App card, then you can click the card icon again and you need to click your Cash App card, and there you will see this button right here. You need to click on it, you need to confirm it, and you will add your Cash App card to your Apple Wallet. Or you can just do the simple thing. You can open your Apple Wallet itself and you need to click the plus icon in the top right corner right here. You need to click debit or credit card, and you can just click the continue right here. You can scan your card or you can just enter the details manually and you will add your Cash App card to your Apple Pay, guys. So that's how this works. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.